Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare zinc versus zinc sulfate. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two forms of a crucial mineral. Understanding their unique properties is key to making informed choices for your health. We'll delve into how each one functions in your body and what benefits they offer. Let's get started and uncover which might be the better option for your specific needs. Elemental zinc is a powerhouse for your health, playing many vital roles. It's essential for a strong immune system, helping your body fight off illness and infection. This mineral also significantly aids in wound healing and tissue repair. Furthermore, zinc is fundamental for DNA synthesis and healthy cell division, supporting overall growth and development. You can find it naturally in various foods, including red meat, poultry, fish, and certain plant-based options like beans and nuts. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health insights. On another note, if you love learning and want to dive deeper into health topics or just enjoy a good book, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Zinc sulfate is a highly soluble form of zinc, making it particularly effective for certain applications. It's frequently prescribed to treat and prevent zinc deficiencies, ensuring your body gets this essential nutrient. Its high solubility means it's readily absorbed, which is beneficial when quick action is needed. You'll often find zinc sulfate in dietary supplements, lozenges for cold symptoms, and even in some topical skin treatments. It's a versatile form for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.